Gardening is one of those areas where we genuinely never stop learning. Plants are full of surprises. I started gardening when I was, 3-4 years old, collecting a few seeds from the hedgerows around my parents' house. And that then led me to a career not only as a horticulturalist and a nurseryman, but ultimately to use those horticultural skills to create designs, specifically planting designs, that bring a real sense of joy and enlivenment to people's lives. We're in my garden high on the roof of the Cotswolds in Gloucestershire, and on this course what we're going to focus on is container gardening. I'm going to go fairly traditional, this unashamedly traditional, unashamedly looking like an old-fashioned Victorian park. Across 4 lessons, what we're going to review is the range of containers available, stylistically how they can be deployed, the range of plants that best suit containers, composts, fertilizers, and pest and disease control, how we go about creating those fantastic combinations and ultimately giving ourselves the confidence to go out there and produce some very fine container gardens. Nothing is beyond bounds. We really can create the most fabulous spaces if we're prepared to share our knowledge base. I'm Beardshaw, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you in my garden.